Hello and welcome to Cleaning the EC Way, where we talk about everything cleaning. Today, we are going to be going over a few things that Cody and I would never want in our house, and that is because they are hard to clean and they are hard to keep clean. Cody and I actually have a list of things that we wouldn't want, and that is because we've either cleaned a house with these items or we have or had them in our own home. First, we are going to be talking about wainscoting or wainscoting, however you prefer to say it. I use wainscoting. Wainscoting does have some benefits like protecting walls from damage, and it can give a room some texture and detail in an otherwise flat wall, but it does come with its issues. Those thin lines are not easy to clean. You are not able to simply wipe and voila, whatever you're trying to get off is gone. Cleaning will require a small brush to ensure you are getting all that is collected in those thin little canyons. Because of the texture, it does tend to collect dust and hair a lot more than a typical wall would. In a bathroom, the water, soap, and hairspray build up and require to be cleaned more often than in an area that does not see a lot of foot traffic. If you do want wainscoting in your home, I would suggest to choose a higher sheen paint or an oil-based paint because they're both easier to clean. The love but hate it sensor faucets. So these innovative touchless faucets are not all made equal. They do have some benefits, but in our experience, those benefits make cleaning harder. So we have run across a few different types and we will be sharing our experience with you. The kind that turn on even if the handle is in the water off position are the types that we would avoid. When we are trying to clean the sink or dry the sink, the water will sporadically turn on, making cleaning harder. Now, the type that will not turn on if the handle is in the water off position are the better of the two. The thing we dislike about these is the water will just shut off halfway through rinsing the sink. The thing we have found with both is the water doesn't always turn on when you are trying to use the sensor. A toilet that has a lot of details to it can make a bathroom look sophisticated. It can be pleasing to the eye. It can make it look like your bathroom costs a lot more money to remodel. But in a bathroom, the bottom of the toilet collects a lot of dust, hair, and fuzz. A toilet that has a lot of details makes cleaning harder. Typically, you just have to wipe down and out to get it clean, but when the toilet has a lot of detail, it is not a plain and easy swoop to remove whatever has collected around the bottom. Each ledge or divot needs extra attention, and even then, things will still get stuck. When it comes to tile and the grout, the bigger the tile, the less the grout. When cleaning a tile shower, the grout is the area that tends to have the most issues. The grout is typically what discolors, grows mildew, and can even grow mold. What we have experienced is when the small tile is on the floor of the shower, that is when you tend to have the most issues. If you do want to have a border in your shower with small tiles, try to place it up higher where the water and soap is less likely to settle. French doors. I have always loved the look of a French door. I love the timeless look a French door gives to a room, and I love the light that it allows into a room. Oh, but they are not easy to clean. Each small square needs to be cleaned individually, and it is harder to clean each corner as things tend to build up here. They are time consuming, and because of the glass, they do not stay looking clean for long. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Hit that thumbs up. Go ahead and have an amazing day, and more importantly, go make it sparkle.